Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the color tone effect for a video call on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up a messenger app. So here I'm going to open up the Facebook Messenger. Then you want to open up a contact and start a video call. Once you started a video call, you can swipe down at the top with two fingers. This will open up the quick settings in a full menu. From here, tap on video call effects, then tap on color tone from the window here. Next, you can drag on the cool slider bar, so you can change it to a cooler color or a warmer color by dragging on the slider bar. You can also change the brightness by dragging the bottom bar to the left to make it darker, or drag it to the right to make it brighter. So we can also change the brightness, the color brightness during a video call. And that is how you can change the color tone effect for a video call on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.